Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, we would like to say thank you very much for giving us to sit down in front of you, because on this special opportunity we want to tell to you about Switch. First, we want to introduce our member. I am Farhan Kurniawan. Beside me,
My name is Dean Mahardika.
My name is Apristiadi.
Okay, I think that's all about our member. In order to see the running of our explanation, please listen to us carefully, and now let me begin.
Okay, I want to tell you about table of content. First, definition of a switch. Second, switch state. Third, example of using switches. Fourth, switch function. Fifth, types of electrical switches. And the last content is conclusion. First, definition of a switch. The switch is a disconnection and connection of electric current or electricity. The use of switches in addition to strong current electrical networks. Small switches are also used for weak electronic component device. So in general, a switch is used in electrical circuits to turn on, turn off the lights at one more in different place. Next, switch state. First, the opening state. When this open state can make the voltage of the electric current or flow of the electric current cannot be connected, which makes the electric current unable to flow because the switch opens. Second, closed state. When it is closed, there will be a connection of electricity or an electric current that is connected and can provide an electric current. Next, example of using switches. On-off button and volume up down on the phone. On-off button on TV. Button on TV remote. Wall switch to turn the electric light on and off. About this switch, we will clarify more on the next sheet. The on or off button on the laptop or computer. Keyboard button on a laptop or computer. On or off button and speed selection button on the phone.
Okay, I will continue the explanation of my friend. The next explanation is about switch function. In this sheet, there is a picture that are a switch and a lamp. If we push the switch, the lamp will be on. These are three function of switch. First, function as a tool that can disconnect and also connect the electric current in the circuit. The second function is to regulate the incoming and outgoing electric currents. The third, to provide comfort when there are things you don't want. Another function of switch is as a substitute for a plug in terms of turning on and off the lamp so as to provide convenience and safety for hand. So, in general, the function of switch is device used to cut the electricity network or to connect it. So, a switch is basically a means of connecting or breaking the power supply. Okay, the next explanation is I will tell to you about the types of electrical switches. The first type is a single switch. There is the picture. This is the picture of a single switch. This switch only has one terminal in and one terminal out. Switch only has two conditions, namely on and off. This switch is often used, this type of switch, to turn on and turn off one lights. Okay. The second picture is a series switch. Is a switch that represents a combination of two single switches. The function of switch series is for serving two lights, where the lighting condition can vary. For example, one light is on and the other is off. or both lights can light simultaneously too, because basically the switches are combined from a single switch. Okay, the next switch is an exchange switch. This is the behind of the circular, the behind of the switch is a typical switch, has three terminals, namely one input and two output. Toggle switch notation is usually 0 for input electricity, 1 and 3 for their output. The function of the switch this type is to turn on the lights. Take turns. Suppose we want to control two lamp. When lamp A is on, then that is lamp B automatically turns off, and vice versa. This switch cannot be turned on two lights in the same time. Okay, the next switch is the cross switch. This is switch that consists of a combination two interchangeable switches that operate in one mechanism. This means that these two switches will work both ways in one time. It means the cross switch is the combination, is the two of an exchange switch. The function of the switch is for control lights from two or three places or more by collaborating with help to swap switches if for three control points. Okay, the next explanation will be explained by my friend.
Okay, the next explanation is about the type of switch based on the way switch moves. You can look the picture. Number one is push button switch. Push button switch is a type of two position switch that can connect the flow of electric current. When the user presses it and disconnect the electrical connection when we release it. Number two, you can look the picture is toggle switch. Toggle switch is a switch that is moved by a lever or toggle that is tilted to one of two more positions to connect or disconnect electricity. Okay. Number three, you can look the picture is selector switch. Selector switch is a switch that is operated by turning and is usually used in circuit that require a choice of more than two positions. User can rotate with their finger to select certain position. This selector switch is usually applied to the power supply to select the desired voltage. As a test function, selector is ohm, volt, ampere. On the multimeter, temperature selector in the open selector, and so on. Number four, you can like the picture is limit switch. Limit switch is a that is widely used in machine for industrial automation purpose. Generally, at the end of the limit switch lever, there is a small roller bearing, which is function to prevent the wear and tear of the limit switch. Lever due to repeated contact with engine part.
Okay, the conclusion of our explanation is
An electric switch is a component or device used to disconnect or connect electricity.
the use of switches in electronic devices is currently still manual by turning on or off the electronic device by pressing the on or off button directly.
For example, when you want to turn on or turn off a light, you have to press the on-off button directly.
Okay, we think that all what we can explain to you. We are sorry for our mistake. The last but not the least, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.